Hi, I'm Anne, here to show you how to install or upgrade the graphics card on your Thelio. Before you remove the lid, be sure to power off and unplug all cords from the computer. To install your graphics card, twist off the screws from the PCI bracket and remove the bracket and GPU brace. Both the GPU brace and the PCI bracket keep your graphics card secure and in place. For computers like this one that ship without a GPU, you'll also need to remove the PCI blanks that keep dust from building up inside the chassis. You won't need these after installing your GPU. If you're replacing a GPU, you'll need to remove the existing one before installing your new graphics card. To remove it, unplug all cabling connected to your GPU, press on the tab behind the GPU, and pull it out from its port. Now you can proceed with the following installation instructions. Prepare the necessary power connectors for your graphics card. You can tell which wires you'll need by looking at the ports on the side of your GPU. The graphics card we're using today requires 14 pins, which is a 2-pin and 6-pin connector joined together, along with an additional 6-pin connector. Hold off on plugging these in until the graphics card is securely inside the chassis. Insert the new graphics card into the PCIe lane slot until it clicks into place. Take care not to accidentally hit the motherboard during this process. Screw the GPU brace and PCI bracket back into place to secure the GPU. Now it's time to plug in the power connectors for the graphics card. For the 8-pin connectors, always place the 2-pin connector in first, or with the 6-pin connector to lock it into place. Then plug in the 6-pin connector. After that, wrap up any unused wires with the Velcro strap and store those wires back in the chassis so they're not blocking the fan. When you're done, plug your display output cables into the graphics card. If your display cable is plugged into the motherboard, this will not give you a display connection. Now, once you're done, put your beautiful lid back on, and you're good to go.